Hello and welcome back to another video on the CEN YouTube channel. One of this week's projects is this brand new Ford Transit Custom. As some of you may know, the factory audio is rather poor on these, similar to the VW T6.1. On this vehicle we'll be installing front speakers, amplifier and a subwoofer under the rear seats. To start the install, Jason has made a custom board for the Audison SR 5.600 to sit on. This has been located under the passenger seat and means it is only a short run for the power and earth to the factory Ford battery located under the driver's seat. We have then installed the Morel Maximo Ultra 602 HE speakers. This consists of a two-way component and has been installed in the factory locations. We have bridged the amplifier through channels 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This allows the speakers to get the maximum amount of power. Moving on to the subwoofer, we have used the down-firing Kicker L7T 10-inch. This is located under the rear combi seats in the van. This makes a significant difference to the audio quality and really completes the audio package. Lastly, we have installed the Audison VCR-S2 bass controller. We have installed this next to the factory USB port for an OEM finish and ease of access. All of the equipment featured in this video is available to view and purchase on our website. If you're looking for an audio upgrade in your van, feel free to get in touch, give us a call, drop us an email. Thanks for watching the video and we'll catch you on the next install.